The Moringa tree, also known as the tree of life, or miracle tree because it is prized for its various parts, including its leaves, seeds, and flowers, all of which offer significant health benefits. Moringa flowers are packed with health benefits, making them a valuable addition to your diet. These delicate blooms are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and A, as well as minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming moringa flowers can support overall immune function, promote healthy skin and hair, and aid in digestion. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Moringa flowers are also believed to have antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off infections. Including moringa flowers in your diet can contribute to overall wellness and vitality.